Do you want to know how you can log into your Capital Group mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Capital Group mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Capital Mutual Funds login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Capital Group American Funds. So you can use your username or account number to log in. Go ahead and write down your username or your account number in this box. After that, write down your password, make sure this is correct, and you can check it using this button over here. And after it's correct, go ahead and click login. This way you can log into your Capital Group mutual funds account. It's quite easy. All you need to do is search for Capital Mutual Funds login, click on the first link. This page will open up, write down your username or account number, your password, and then click login. This way you will log into your Capital Group mutual funds. You can click remember username and you will be remembered by your browser. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you are a new user and want to create an account in Capital Group Mutual Funds, this is the link for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.